Okay, so I was just down the hall and I heard the flutter of wings. And I thought, uh-oh. So, taking a tour around. Of course, Jessie's not where he's supposed to be. But there are 3, actually 4. I don't know where. Oh, Tiger's hiding. Tiger's hiding over there in the corner. And then there's Jessie. Jessie's visiting the duck. Are you visiting the duck, Jessie? What are you doing over here? Now this is how worried I get about Jessie and the cats. Because not one of them budged. They're not even looking over this way. Oliver's like, yeah, whatever. He woke me up. Did he wake you up, Oliver? Oh, so sorry. The only one that looks like maybe it might have affected, we can't see her anyway, is the little tiger cat. Oh yes, you can come out now, tiger cat. You can come out now. It's safe. Yes, it's safe now. Yes, it's safe because I'm here. I'm here to protect you from the birdie. Yes. Oh, silly bird.
Jessie?
You gonna sit here and talk to the duck for a little while? I'll take care of the kitties. Oh, I'll take care of the kitties. Don't make it too long though, Jessie. We already got 3 videos on there today.
Jessie?
Casey's sleeping. It's a pretty good landing. Do you like the duck? Do you like that duck? Do you? She kind of looks like me a little bit. Oh, here comes the tiger cat. Don't knock the camera over, tiger cat. Tiger cat was scared. Were you scared for your life? Were you? Oh dear. Oh dear. He's pretty scary, isn't he? It's a pretty scary bird. Well, I'm going to stop this because it's getting too long.